How to add business location on Instagram. First of all, head over to your application Instagram and make sure you are logged into your account. Tap on your profile at the bottom right corner and then tap on these three horizontal lines at the top right corner. Head over to your settings. Inside settings, head over to account. Scroll down and you'll get to see the option of switch account type. Tap on it. So right here you need to switch from your personal account to professional account. I'm already on my professional account, so there is no any option where it says that switch to professional account. But for you, if you find the option of switch to professional account, tap on it and complete all of the process. Once you are on your professional account, head over to your profile of your Instagram. Tap on edit profile. Head over to contact options. The option of business address will be visible to you. Tap on it. It will land you on the page where you'll get to add the business location on Instagram. So tap on city or town. Search for the location that you want to add. Let me search for Sydney for now. Tap on the specific location. You can also add street address and zip code. And once you are done, just tap on the stick icon at the top right corner. There you go, your business location has been successfully added on Instagram. So that's it, and this is simply how you can add business location on Instagram. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching till the end.